Hello loves, it's Brianna K. Today's video is a summer reset. Clean with me. I'm so excited for summer. If you are too, be sure to click that thumbs up button. But I'm gonna be doing some summer decorating, some cleaning, so you're gonna get lots of summer inspo and cleaning motivation in today's video. Let's get started. And I'm in Hayden's room where I was inspired by the new Mainstays Kids collection at Walmart. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. And I wanted to add some pops of color to his bedroom for summer. And then the front porch just needs a summer makeover. It needs some flowers, some love. I'm thinking some pillows, and then just the general kitchen cleanup. We celebrated a birthday girl over the weekend, so we used that multiple days, so I can take that down and also just do a tidy in here. Of course, there's loads of laundry, literally. And outside here, just needs a good summer cleanup too. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be. All right, let's get started in Hayden's room. I'm gonna take off all of his old bedding, and I picked out just different blues and greens. Again, just wanting it to feel brighter and more colorful in this space and really cozy. Everything I picked is the softest material because he's like me. I don't know if anybody else is like this too, but I'm such a feeler. I love when things are soft, and that's what I loved about this bedding. I picked out everything based on how soft it was. So for Hayden's little room refresh, he got a new comforter, new sheets, the body pillow, the backrest pillow, the throw blanket, and then I got this green palm tree as well just to make it brighter and greener in here for summer. But after I put everything out, I wanted it colorful, but I'm almost thinking I should make the backrest pillow and the throw pillow more gray or green. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think. I'd like to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. When I heard about their new Mainstays Kids home collection, I knew I had to get that for the bedding for Hayden's room. It is all so soft. I wish you could feel it through the screen. It's literally the softest bedding I've ever felt. And it's so affordable because it's at Walmart prices. They have so many different color combinations too, a bunch of different themes for boys and for girls. So whatever your kids are into, they will have something that fits it so you can update their bedding. And again, the prices cannot be beat. I don't think I've ever updated any of my kids' rooms for as low of prices as I was able to get everything for Hayden's room. I also got a couple of things for summer decorating outside on the front porch from Walmart as well. And I'm gonna have all of that linked down in my description box below. So be sure to check out my links and the new Mainstays Kids home collection at Walmart. And just a huge thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I just love doing these fun little upgrades around the house for the kids and for summer. But I actually need to go get the flowers for outside on the porch, so let's keep going. I'm also just so happy to be wearing shorts right now. It was the longest winter, so this video is making me so excited. I'm gonna grab one of these to take with me while we go get the flowers because I'm thirsty, and these are so refreshing, like the peach ones the most. It's like what you pick. I'm fun to fit everything I want in my car. I've slightly underestimated the size of my trunk, but we're gonna try. All right, somehow managed to do it. Here we go. Probably a good thing I waited until the kids were at their dad's because I wouldn't have been able to sit in the car with all these. I'm crazy. Just pray I keep them alive, please, because I do not have a green thumb. That is my mother. So just pray I can keep all these pretty all summer. Let's get all of these beautiful flowers unloaded, and then I'm going to start decorating the front porch. We'll do the back porch next. So for the front porch, I got these 2 larger size planters to kind of keep it symmetrical on both sides, but then I found this other really cute smaller planter, and it's such good quality. Like, it's really, really heavy. And I love the design of that one. So did that one to kind of offset the other 2, and found these really cute pink pillows as well, so that could go with the pink and the flowers. I knew I was going to get pink flowers and decided to do a little pink and purple mix as well. All right, here is the summer porch. My little pink dream porch. I love pink and purple flowers. They're like my favorite. But these are some of the pots that I got from Walmart to kind of refresh this space. And I feel like it just does elevate, you know, from the plastic containers that they come in. And I love this one over here. I like the design of that one. It's really cute. And then I got these little outdoor pink throw pillows too. And I feel like they're nice. They just kind of tie it all together. Now let's move to the back porch where I have all these leaves. I need to either borrow a leaf blower or get a leaf blower to get rid of all of them. There's no point in doing it with the shovel. I threw in the towel pretty quickly, but at least got a little bit cleaned up before I hung up the new pretty pink flowers out here. And I got some new cushions because I made the mistake of not taking in my cushions before the first snowstorm that we had in October. Thank you, Cleveland, Ohio. So I had to get new cushions for the chairs, which they don't fit perfectly, but you know, I think they'll do. And I went with black because of just, these are the ones we use the most. And I feel like then that way I don't have to worry as much about stains like I do when they're white, even though I honestly like the look of white cushions so much better. But I don't know, I just decided to change it up out here with the black this year. I definitely need to get a leaf blower, but I feel like it's at least a decent start back here. I want to get some more flowers for there. The flower shop's closed now though. They had, I think, different hours for Memorial Day. And then I still need somebody to help me get that hay too. It's just way too heavy for me to do it myself. Oh, and there goes the cat. Let's go back inside now where I need to do a tidy and cleanup of the kitchen. It wasn't too bad, but you know, just daily wear and tear of the kitchen. I feel like you just clean the kitchen to cook and clean the kitchen again. But yeah, I just wanted to wipe down all the countertops and had some dishes that I had to do. Give the sink a good scrub. Just the general kitchen tidy. But I am just so grateful for redoing this kitchen a little bit. I feel like just the update of the new light fixture and the new table and chairs. And I changed out the curtains instead of them being a color to have them be the neutral white. And I do just feel like it makes it so much cleaner and brighter in here. And obviously, if you followed when I went crazy and painted my kitchen pink and decided that that wasn't a good idea about 5 seconds later, you know that it is now back to white the way that it was. And I am just happy with it. I feel like I don't know why I messed with a good thing. And what it really just needed, I think, was the elevated update to the table and the chairs and the light fixture and the handles. I forgot to mention that when I was talking about everything earlier. But I am just so much happier in this space now that I've done those things. And every time I walk into it, I just love it and I'm so happy. So maybe this can be your little push if you're like, maybe I want to do these little tweaks or these little upgrades just to elevate my space. Do it, because I'm telling you, the happiness that I feel every time that I walk in and look at it, I'm just so glad I did it. You're wondering what I'm eating. Just heated up some leftover hibachi because we went for Presley's birthday dinner last night. The girls really want to try it too. But I know I still have cleanup to do back here, but I am liking the progress. That definitely is too big, unfortunately, for that one. But I like the roses back here too. I feel like they're nice. I like them, Puka. So somehow Presley Jane is 9 years old. I know so many of you joined while I was pregnant with her. I feel like that was the time that my YouTube channel really took off, was when I was sharing pregnancy updates. I feel like especially when she was 2 weeks late, I had so many people on baby watch. That was actually, I think, the first time somebody recognized me in public from my YouTube channel, at least that I remember, because I remember I was going up the escalator at the mall and somebody was like, Brianna K, you still haven't had your baby. And I was almost 2 weeks overdue with her. I went to 41 weeks and 6 days was the day that she was born. But she was worth the wait, always and forever. Love her so much. I cannot believe she's 9. And yeah, she's just an amazing, beautiful girl. And it's been so cool to watch her grow. And I'm just so grateful too that I can look back on all of those memories that I filmed here on YouTube, because I don't think I would remember them, at least not in the detail that then I'm able to recall when I watch the videos back, and it helps me almost recall more memories. So I'm just so grateful for all of you being here on this YouTube channel for all these years and all these memories that I can look back on, and just your support along the way for everything. So just know you are so appreciated. So now just doing that sweep of the floors, vacuuming, and then using the Swiffer wet mop to do a quick mop. I do like using that when I'm not using my big mop, just as kind of a quick and easy way, and also just smells so good. I actually love the smell of it. I get the pet one just because then it's easy for me to, in case the puppies ever have an accident, I like using that in their pen area. But I just like using it too when I want it to smell really, really good in here quickly. By the way, Kylo is back. Don't worry about her. And last but not least, the laundry. There was so much of it because I had traveled down to Florida the weekend before this, so had some laundry that I didn't take out of my suitcase that I had to do as well, on top of just the general week load of laundry. With the new job, I'm usually just doing laundry on the weekends because I just don't have time during the week. So hopefully this can help you motivate to do whatever laundry you have to do today. Thank you so much for watching today's video and doing a little summer refresh with me. Thank you again to Walmart for partnering with me on today's video. I love everything that I got, and I love how the house looks now for summer. And there will be more videos coming soon. As always, let me know your requests down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves. Happy summer.
Your hair was just so cold, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder, where did you go?